Maloelele, ko hokohingoa, ko Matt.
Maloelele, ko hukuhingoa, ko Ishla.
Maloelele,
Ko hoku ingoa ko Leitu.
mo Olivia. Okumau nofo'ipopua.
Ako mau ngā ue I he ofisi Talafekau Lahi o Usila.
High on the hill at Papua stands the New Zealand High Commission official residence. Today, it serves as a place of diplomacy and connection, but long before its walls were built, this hill was a place of legend and deep cultural meaning. As we celebrate Tongan Language Week, we honor not just the words, but the stories, values, and identity they carry. Words like Langi remind us that language is more than communication, it is connection. It links us to our past, grounds us in our present, and guides us into the future. So this hill, once climbed by Aho'eitu seeking his father, now home to a mission seeking connection, remains a bridge between worlds, between gods and mortals, tradition and diplomacy, a place where the spirit of Lea Faka-Tonga lives on.
Uike Lea Faka-Tonga, Fia Fia.